The best Puffy Mattress coupon code. If you're looking to get your hands on a Puffy Mattress coupon code, you've come to the right place. Don't waste your hard-earned money by paying full price, because I'm about to tell you exactly what to do to save $275 off your purchase. But before I show you how to save a nice chunk of change, and go over some very important information such as warranty. If you just came to get a discount, I get it. I'm not going to be offended if you don't watch this full video. I'll put the discount link in the description below. This way when you click the link below for the Puffy mattress, the coupon will automatically be applied, which will save you $275 instantly. Again, click the link below this video to activate your special discount. But for those of you who want to stick around, let's get started. The Puffy mattress has been getting a lot of attention lately, from being part of one of Ellen's latest 12 Days of Christmas giveaways, when she gave away one of their mattresses to everyone in the audience. Crazy, right? Now the mattress also comes with free shipping, which is awesome. And both the Puffy and the Puffy Luxe mattress come with a lifetime warranty to cover you from any manufacturing defects such as mattress sagging and deep indentations. For even more information regarding warranty, click the link below to go on the official Puffy Mattress website. Also, the Puffy mattress comes with a 101-night sleep trial, so you do not need to worry about paying for return shipping. So if you've been considering the Puffy mattress, order worry-free. Click the link below for more details now. But in general, I think a lot of people overlook how they can save money, which is what inspired me to create this video for you. Nothing is more important than a good night's sleep. And most important of all, nothing is more important than your health and well-being. But to be honest, this $275 coupon deal probably won't be around forever, so I suggest you jump on it right now before they discontinue it. Go to the description below this video, and click the top link to automatically apply the coupon code. Anyway, thanks for watching our video. Cheers to a good night's sleep.